Okay, a very common problem on Chrysler Cordobas, lower trim molding, these clips. The ears are broken off. These clips, I'll give you the number here, 6003565, yeah. These things are NS1, nobody makes reproductions of them anywhere, and it's kind of frustrating because you need them. If you're going to put the lower rocker panel molding on, you need these things. So, I did kind of find a solution. It's not the greatest, but it works. So I got a couple different clips. I actually got a bunch of them from Restoration Specialties. And I'll show you what I did over here in a little bit. But these are the two I'm using. That's the part number right there, 835716, and then 733997. So basically what's going on is the one on the bottom lines up like so. Whoops, there we go. So you end up with the ears on both ends is what I'll see. And then this one on the top doesn't fit right in the hole, so we end up drilling a new hole and riveting it on. So I will show you that here in just a second. Alright, so hopefully the camera catches this right, because I'm going to see the way I line it, because here's the factory peg, and I line this up just sitting right there. So, oops, this part of it, hopefully I'm in the camera, sits right on the top edge of that little peg, and then I will mark the spot and then drill the hole. And then all you gotta do is put the rivet in, like so, rivet her down, and it is a fight. The distance that ends up being is maybe just a smidge bit more than what ideal is inside that rocker molding, but once it's on there, it's on there. It's not going to come off. It's the best solution I've been able to find. Been looking for these clips for 2 years, ain't found diddly squat. You can hardly even find reference to the part number online, so it's going to work. I know it's going to work because it worked on the other side. Okay. Alright, so I've got two of them in there. I've got a tool like this. It's a modified gasket scraper. I use it for windshield molding tools. This works, and so does this, and just a regular slapping spoon. Kind of depends if I'll work with one, and if it doesn't work, I'll try the other one. And the way you got to do it is you got to get under there, put up as much upward pressure, because you've got to get past 2 sets of springs, and you got to push. Just boom. That would have been in really easy. And just do that with all of them. Put the screws in on the ends, and you're golden. Just like that. There it is. Rocker panel molding is on completely, and it ain't coming off. Those clips fit tight. To get them off, yeah, I don't know. I'm just glad I didn't have to try to take any of them off. Other than the very first one, just single one that I test fit. Well, that wasn't so bad. But you can kind of see, where are they? Oh, here's one. Right there. You can kind of see a little bit of the white tab. And that's it. That's about what you would see anyway. So, like I say, it fits, it works pretty good.